Hello and welcome back to another episode of Stu's Reviews. So, a couple of weeks ago I ordered some very cheap Alexa smart switch things to do a review on. But that's not what came in the post. Instead, I was sent something that's a bit of a mystery, so I've decided to review it anyway. Introducing the Roberts dual alarm clock radio with instant time set at switch on. Apparently, because I have this, I am now set for life. Let's jump straight in. Okay, so let's get it open. Again, this is a complete mystery to me, so this is all genuine. Right, okay. It's a box. Instructions, I probably don't need those. And here we go. There we are, right. The dangly thing. Well, it looks like something from the 1980s, but that's fine. New with summer/winter and instant time set. Okay, that's good. New, right, I think it needs to be plugged in, so let's get it plugged in, see what it's like. Right. So let's test this instant time set. What's it doing now? It says 7/11, day 7, month 12. No, it's day 19, month 2. Well, that was disappointing. Can I get it to show the time on off? What does that do? No, that's done something. What? Oh dear. Oh, here we are. Time. Let's have a look. No. Snooze. Stop. Tune in. This is rubbish. It's got a headphone port on it. Why the hell would you want a headphone port on an alarm clock? Look at that! What is going on? And it's got, what's this? I can't even get that open. Tune it, volume. Let's turn the volume right up. Right, the volume right. That's completely wrong because it thinks it's the 7th of December. Oh no! No, that. Oh! It's right! Hold on. So I thought this was a 24-hour, and I thought it said day and month at the very top, being day 7, month 12. But it's not. The time is actually 7:13. But it's not. It's 7:14. Nearly 7:15. But I need a third thing to find out if that's correct. What time does it think this is? 7:15. Okay, well, it nearly was an instant time set. It was close. A couple of minutes out. Am I impressed? Yes, I guess. I mean, it's not got the internet, so it's not right, it did that. Auto set. There's something probably off the radio. But that was fun. Right, what else does it do then? Come on. So we've got... oh, this is really confusing. This is like going back to the 16th century. I have no idea how this even works. I just want to listen to the radio. Can I have the FM? What's MW? Morning weather. Okay. Well, none of these buttons seem to do anything. Let's try. And
if you don't want to sing those old broadcast blues, keep a dollar in your pocket.
Oh dear.
Keep a dollar in your
This
pocket.
music.
Cause the dollar is your very best friend.
I mean, this music really is from the sort of 1940s. Have I just stepped back in time? What has happened? Have Amazon sent me something from the past? A time-travelling clock? I mean, the sound's pretty good. Right, let's try and find something that is more this decade. I don't even know how tuning works.
Right about that, totally agree. And on Facebook, Sebastian Holiday picked Mrs. Dalloway by Virginia Woolf, saying, "It still acts as the slow dissolving pill that led me to art." To see more of those pictures,
I don't want to know about her slowly dissolving pill.
And before any of you gets outraged, this is not a definitive best ever. It's just a bit of fun, okay? So, Jenny, let's start with your pick and a brief description of the artwork.
Well, tonight I am batting on behalf of Tracy Emin's My Bed, which was her 1999 Turner nominated. She sadly didn't win, but Steve McQueen did. He did a very good job, so deserving.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Just...
Right. Now it's up and running. Let's be critical of the Roberts Chronologic VI. It's made of very cheap plastic. It looks very cheap, and it looks like that kind of retro futurism type look of the 1970s. Is that a good thing? Well, a lot of people like retro revival, but I think this potentially could be a little bit too far down that line. Let's talk about the features. Now, the features are that it plays the radio, it shows the time, and you can set not one but 2 alarms. You've got a tuning dial on the side, volume up and down, something called FM and MW, which probably is something related to radio, I seem to remember. As I said, it's got a headphone port on the bottom, in case you want to wear headphones whilst you're sleeping, listening to the absolute nothingness that comes off this. Other than that, do you know, this is probably one of the most boring products I've ever had the displeasure of taking a look at. On to the price. How much does it cost? I have no idea. I'm going to find out. A grand total. Let's have a... Here we are. £21.99. Reduced down from £25. This is £21.99. What does it do? It just tells the time. How is it 20? I can hear a high-pitched whistling coming from it. It's meant to be a thing that goes next to your bed. And you'd pay £21.99 for the displeasure of having some high-pitched squealing next to your bed and something that looks like it's been dug up next to a Roman bloody fortress. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. That concludes my review of that.